Lord of the Rings on the banjo, claw hammer. This is my rendition of a few songs piled into one. I hope you guys like it. It's really late. I might mess up. That's okay. We're just gonna keep going. But I just want to get it out there. Whew. Well, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm sure I'll play it again a lot better with a cool backdrop somewhere, but today you get my living room, and this is, yeah. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you. Also, the 3 parts that I put in were obviously the Shire, the Hobbits was the first and last part. The middle part was, I think it's like the King of Gondor or Battle of Helm's Deep, one of those. They played a lot of times when you see Aragorn, you know, doing cool Aragorn stuff. And then also we had the Riders of Rohan in there. But I hope you guys enjoy. Here's my cat. She is not happy. She's not happy being picked up. Anyways, peace. Also, this is fun.